For anybody that's got a John Deere Gator that has to replace the engine on there or has gone through an engine replacement and doesn't have the Kawasaki, there's a Briggs & Stratton Intek 11 horse engine that is available for these as a replacement kit engine. Small Engine Warehouse sells them, and I've seen them online elsewhere, but it's actually a John Deere version. It's made up special. But they tell you when you buy it, you have to modify the exhaust a little bit, and this one was not done right when I got it. I sent it over to my buddy who's got a very good mechanical shop, and they reworked it, and what they ended up doing was shorten the manifold pipe, so the muffler actually is mounted to the engine as opposed to being to the body of the machine where you break the welds all the time as the engine vibrates. Then they welded on a automotive type rubber mount hanger for an exhaust system, and it worked out perfectly because now the thing doesn't rattle and vibrate and it's not going to break the welds off. So I hope that helps somebody. You've got a John Deere that's got a replacement Intek motor on it. There is a solution for doing the muffler. I'll try and show it to you as best I can. I don't have real good lighting because it's nighttime. Kind of hard to see with the driven pulley in the way. What you see on top is actually a patch welding on there because the original bracket had broken off. The hanger is welded to the back side of the muffler. It's very hard to see, but you can see the rod coming down that's bent at a 90, and that's welded to the muffler. So it works out well. It doesn't vibrate, doesn't rattle, and it won't break the welds. So I hope that helps you guys. This one's going to get a new set of seats, and they are actually in those boxes right up there. I'm just not going to get them installed tonight. I got to get back to what I'm doing. So anyway, this is a 2005 Gator model TS, and it was in nice shape. It wasn't rusted or anything when I bought it, but it had hours on it because it was used at a business. And so it's got brand new tires on it, and I just sent it over and had oil change and had it greased and stuff. Yes, I can do that, but while it was in having the muffler fixed, I let the mechanics do all that, and then later this week or so I'll get the seats replaced on it. So there you go.